Hey, let me show you the best features of your POCO X6 Pro. So first we are going to start from the settings, and we'll have to navigate into the additional settings where we can find the heart rate monitor. So in this phone we can actually measure the heart rate, so we have to click start, accept all of these permissions, and now we will have to place your finger on the fingerprint scanner and keep holding for at least 50 seconds. So don't move your finger, keep holding, and now we can see the bitrate per minute on the screen. So in my case that's around 73. There we go. Now you can find the result, and here's also the date and the time of this measurement. Next we are going for the next option. As you can see here, I have the live wallpaper, and if I open the app drawer, unfortunately I'm not able to see my wallpaper, but you can actually change it by clicking on the settings icon and set the backgrounds, and here you can set the transparency. Then click apply, and now as you can see your wallpaper with this app drawer. Next we are going to move into the second space, so you can basically create like second phone. So here I have my first account, that's how it looks, all apps, all settings, all the wallpapers, and when I enable the second space it will look like I have brand new phone. And what I mean, go to the additional settings when you are on the main settings and open the second space. Now tap to turn on the second space. Now just wait for this creating process. Click to continue. You can use a password or shortcut. You can decide how you can switch between those spaces. In my case, I'm going actually to use the simple shortcut. So click continue. You can also set the password for this second space if you want. In my case, I don't want to do this. I just want to have second space on my phone. Now just wait for it, and here it is. As you can see, the wallpaper is different. I don't have these apps that I previously downloaded on this second account. There's like brand new phone. And if I want to switch back to the first account, just click here. Also, all of these pictures and videos that you are recording, it will be not set up to the whole phone. It will be only on this one or second space. Next, let's move forward to another option that we can find also in the settings, and it is actually the memory extension. So when you open the additional settings and go for the memory extension, you can actually increase the RAM of your phone. As the default, it sets to the 6 gigs, but you can also get 8 gigs of the RAM. So you will actually speed up your phone. Next, we can also use two apps at the same time. So we have to open two applications. Let's do this, for example, for the gallery in the Play Store. Then we have to open the background apps, click and hold on one of the application and select this icon. Now select second application, and as you can see right now, we are able to use two apps at the same time on our POCO X6 Pro. There's also another cool feature when we are talking about the multitasking. You can actually use apps in the floating mode. So click and hold, select this icon, and as you can see now, and this application is floating on the screen. You can also do this for second application, and you can use two apps on this floating mode. And yeah, let me just open, for example, these apps, and as you can see now, we can even get the split screen mode enabled. So currently we can use 4 apps at the same time on the POCO X6 Pro. Now I'm gonna get rid of it, and we are going to move forward for other options. There we go. And what we can find more, one more time. What is also really interesting about this device is that you can actually go into the settings. You will have to navigate into the additional settings, go into the hearing. When you enter the accessibility, go to the hearing and tap on the beam for notifications. So you can enable the flash notifications by using this switcher, but also you can get the screen notification. So when there will be any notification incoming in your phone, it will look like this, that your screen will flash on the purple or your flashlight will be turned on. Take a look. So from here you can turn it on and off and customize the color of incoming notification. Next, we can go for the up battery drain. So we have to go into the battery, and from here we can actually check which application drains our battery the most. So as you can see, in my case, the TikTok is using around 20% of the battery, the launcher from the iPhone, the Gcameter, and if there's like any application that you are not using and it is draining battery, you can simply open it and check even for some details. So for example, you can check the Wi-Fi running, the CPU foreground and CPU total. You can uninstall this app by clicking here or simply force to stop. Next, I'm going to show you how we can quickly launch the camera. So we can actually double press with the volume button. You have to navigate into the lock screen, and from here we got option launch camera when the screen is locked. So now when I'm gonna turn off the screen and quickly double tap on the volume down button, let's try it one more time. As you can see, the camera was open quickly. So it's useful when you're outside and you want to take some photos quickly. Next, we can also find the game turbo that will increase the speed of our device while playing games. So we have to open the settings. From here we have to navigate into the more connectivity options, open cast, go to the demos, and here click to turn on the game turbo. Now you will find the game space, and when you click on the settings icon, you can actually enable the game turbo by clicking on this switcher. Next, we can also find the screencast function. So you can go into the more connectivity options, go into the cast, and from here you can actually cast the screen of your phone to other devices. So we have to be connected on your smartphone to the Wi-Fi network, on this second device, in my case into the TV, to the same Wi-Fi network, and after this you will be able to actually select your TV from the list, and with the remote control on the TV accept this screencast. Next, we can also speed up our internet. We have to go into the mobile networks. No, I mean we have to go to the Wi-Fi, go to the network acceleration, and click on the switcher to turn on the speed boost. So now we are gonna connect our mobile network and the Wi-Fi network to speed up our internet. And I can recommend you to switch from this one to the full, and now you will combine your Wi-Fi and the mobile data to boost connection speed. And also we can find some cool functions in the camera. So now when we are in the camera and we are in the photo mode, we can click on this icon and we can get, for example, the voice shutter. So now when you say this keyword, cheese, as you can see, the photo will be taken. Also, we can find the timed burst. So this function allows us to take unlimited number of the photos in some intervals. So for example, let's take each photo for like 1 second. So take a look. Now the phone will automatically take photo each second. And yeah, that's basically it. That's my favorite features of the POCO X6 Pro. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.